Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. In this video we are gonna talk about, well, nothing big. It's gonna be a short video on unboxing this thing. Well, it's completely transparent. You might ask, why do you need an unboxing? Well, I'm still gonna do it. Alright, what we're gonna do today is just open this small box right here. I'm gonna talk about what is included and why is it included, and I'll make a separate video on how to use it. So let's get directly into the video right now. Alright, what's up? So if you're new to Laashaktech, you might not know that we do unboxing, review, and we talk about tech in this channel. And there's a video. So what you have in the box is two small devices. So these are memory chips. I'm gonna show you how and what is included in this small box. So it's basically not big, and you get these two chips. So I'm just gonna remove it out of the transparent case. So this can be used for mobility. You can put it in your wallet and take it around. So first you get the adapter for micro SD, and well, you can use it for all the micro devices. So then you put it directly in your laptop and it can read your micro SD cards. And this is the well-known micro SD slot card, which can be inserted in your phone. And so the main purpose of this is transferring data from your micro SD, which can be inserted in your phone, to your laptop. So how you do this is basically you enter the micro SD in the micro SD adapter, and voila, then you enter this in your laptop or PC so it can read the micro SD card. So that's how you get your photos from your PC, well, from your phone to PC or PC to phone. It doesn't matter, you can just transfer data. It's a simple, quick method, and well, both devices are included in the small box right here. If you have wondered what is this, well, now you know what it is and how to use it. If you really need detailed information on how to use this device, I'll link in the description the video that I made on how to use them. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Just before finishing the video, I wanted to say that this video is not well, sponsored. So all the elements that were present in the video were bought by me, and just the fact that I wanted to do the video and not make money.